I'm back to show you our newest tool, Khanmigo, an AI tutor to help your students succeed. So imagine your child is working on this algebra concept right in the middle of Khan Academy and they're feeling really stuck. Now, while they might normally have to give up, Khanmigo is here in the lower right-hand corner to help them break through. So we click this button and we say, what do I do here? How do I even move forward? And whereas ChatGPT or other AIs might just give the answer, this is going to be like a really effective tutor walking your student through what to do. Do you know what to do next? Not sure. And again, instead of just feeding us the answer, it's going to walk us through it step by step. And that way, the student really learns the skill behind it, not just the answer. On top of that, they can always come into this AI activity section and they can do all this other cool stuff. They can get tutoring in any area, practice their knowledge, craft a story, maybe even start an admissions essay when they're ready for that, all the way to everything they need to be super successful in class today and in their future beyond, all at their fingertips, thanks to Khanmigo. Hope you enjoy it.